Hey guys, today me try understand stock investing, and me already feel brain melt. Me sit in hut, scroll shiny stone called Robohood. Me think it magic fire. Me press glowing green button that say buy now. Me not know what me buy. Banana coin, meme rock, or piece of invisible sky mammoth. Suddenly number go down. Me panic. Me yell at stone. Stone no yell back. Me throw it at wall, it bounce, hurt toe, me thought me discover new fire. But instead, me burn all shiny shells in 2 sunrises. Me feel dumb as rock stuck in own ear. Now me sit in cave, staring at empty pouch, whispering, why tribe say this stock thing make you rich? Me ask wise man from mountain. He say if you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit. That hit hard, like mammoth hoof to chest. So today we learn how to invest in stocks like modern human without burning everything like me did. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell Caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. So me go ask modern elder, man with shiny teeth and suit skin, what be this stock? Me expect him to pull out stick or maybe roasted chicken leg. He laugh, me no laugh, me hungry and confused. He say stock is ownership. Caveman blink slow. Stock is tiny piece of company, he explain. When you buy stock, you own small slice of business. Caveman brain try understand. Wait, so me no buy food, me no buy rock, me buy idea? Yes, shiny man say, you own part of money-making tribe like Apple or Amazon. Caveman eyes wide. Me own fruit, me own jungle, he groan. No, Apple the tech company, Amazon the shopping company. So me give shiny shells and in return company grow, make more shells and share some back with me? Yes, sometimes as dividends, and value go up if company grow. Brain bubble. So stock is like planting seed in invisible tree. Tree grow, me get fruit? Shiny man nod. Kind of, yeah. But caveman still not trust. No smell, no taste, no touch, no spear proof. Me whisper, this invisible tree better not lie. He say, it can lie, that why you learn before throw all shells. Caveman start see stock not magic, not chicken, not shiny rock. It be ownership of ideas that grow, fail, or fly. Now caveman curious, but still scared, like when try milk angry goat. After caveman learn what stock be, me start notice strange tribe behavior. Morning time me go to village fire. Normally tribe gather to share meat or chase squirrel, but now they no look at sky or fire, they look at glowing rectangle, eyes red, fingers twitch, mouth say things like NASDAQ go boom and Dow down bad. Caveman panic. Is Dow name of chief? Did Dow fall in river? One man scream, sell, sell! Caveman try help. Me grab basket of mangoes, say, you want sell? Me take 1 mango. He slap mango out of hand. Women in tribe wear nice skins now, drive loud chariots. Caveman ask, you hunt lion? No, she say. Me buy Tesla stock in 2020. Caveman blink. Tesla, is that type of spear? She say, it electric horse. Caveman sit down, world too strange. Then caveman cousin, say, you late, bro. Stocks make tribe rich, you no invest, you stay poor. Like Uncle Grok, who bet all shells on donkey fight. Me remember Uncle Grok, he still owe tribe 1 goat, so now me tempted. Everyone talk stocks, everyone think they money shaman. Even small child tell caveman, buy low, sell high. Caveman want join. But caveman also see 1 man cry near hut, lost all his shells on something called Luna Moon coin. Tribe no just excited, they obsessed. Stocks become religion, screens become altar. Price go up, tribe dance, price go down, tribe scream into ground. Cavemen wonder, is this new way to hunt? Hunt numbers instead of mammoth? Cavemen curious, but also smell danger. Just like when berries too sweet, it mean poison. So one night, cavemen sit by fire. Cousin show me magic chart on glowing rock. This stock go up fast, he yell. eyes wild like hyena during thunderstorm. What it called, me ask. He say, stonk stonk, it meme stock. Caveman blink. Meme? Like cave painting with fart joke? Yes, but this one make you rich. Caveman heartbeat fast. Stonk stonk sound dumb, but chart go up like mammoth flying. So me take all shiny shells all and throw them at meme stone. Next day number go higher, caveman dance. Me roar at river. Me yell me genius. Next day number fall, caveman confused. Why fall? Say market correction. Caveman yell, me no want correction, me want collection. By moonrise, stonk stonk crash, all gone. Shells, pride, hope. Even goat me trade for shells now, insult me with eyes. Caveman sit in dirt, cry, wind whisper, you idiot. Me stomp to cave, you say it fly, shrug. Market no promise, meme no care. Caveman realize, me no understand company, me just chase noise, hype, fireworks. Meme stone look shiny but have no bones inside, like empty turtle shell. Look fun but no food. Caveman learn hard way. If you chase shiny hype without knowing what it is, it eat you. And worst part, me not alone. Many in tribe do same. Buy high, sell low, cry together, misery become group sport. Cavemen start ask, maybe investing no supposed to be like hunting party at all. Maybe it like planting garden, but right now garden dead. After cavemen cry and throw rock at sky, me go visit village elder. Old wise man named Oram, beard longer than river, eyes slow but sharp. Cavemen sit at his fire say, me buy stock, me lose shells, me want revenge. He grunt, you no need revenge, you need wisdom. Me blink, but me want fight chart. He poke fire with stick. You threw shells at company, you no understand that like throwing spear into forest with blindfold. Cavemen stare at fire. Oram say, if you no understand how it makes shells, don't own it. You wouldn't trade for goat you never seen, right? Caveman nods slowly. True, me once trade for goat that was actually dog. Long story. So, Oram teach me first trick, own what you understand. He say, you know food, you know tools, you know big store called Costco? Cavemen light up. Yes, big magic cave full of free samples, he nod. If you believe in it, and it makes shells over many moons, maybe it worth owning. Cavemen realize, maybe me no need chase shiny chart, maybe me can invest in company me use, me trust, like big fruit seller Apple, online scroll shop Amazon, fire wagon maker Tesla, or even goat delivery tribe Uber. Suddenly, it makes sense, stock not just number, it be tiny ownership of real thing, like choosing strong mammoth in race, not just loudest. Me look at old investment in stonk stonk, it now feel like dating fire-breathing hyena. Lesson sharp. If me no understand it, me no invest. After Oram teach caveman to invest in what me understand, me still ask, okay, but when me get rich, 1 moon, 2 moons? He laugh so hard he cough up half a beetle. You think wealth come like thunder? No, wealth like slow stew, simmer for many winters, caveman grumble. Me no like slow stew, me like fire, boom, done. He point to giant mango tree behind hut. You remember when we plant that? Caveman nod. Me small then, threw pit in dirt, forgot about it. Exactly, Oram say. 10 winters later, now feed whole tribe. Cavemen look at tree, then back at Oram. Patience, that the trick. He say, this called compounding, it when your shells grow shells, and those baby shells grow grandbaby shells. Caveman's head almost explode. So money multiply while me sleep. Yes, but only if you leave it alone. Not dig it up every moon to check. Cavemen imagine burying mango seed, then digging it up every morning to yell, grow. Yeah, me see how that dumb. Now me understand, if me want big feast, me must wait many moons. No magic, no shortcut, just time. Oram call this long-term investing. Not quick hunt, but patient planting. Cavemen start save small pile of shells each moon, not throw at meme stone, not chase wild goat, just plant, water, wait. Sometimes market scream, sometimes it's sleep. Cavemen ignore both. Because real wealth not made in panic, it made in quiet, in time, in tribe of patience. After learning to own what me understand and wait with patience like sleepy lion, Oram give caveman one last wisdom. Put all your shells in one basket and step on it, shells go crunch. Cavemen flinch me remember, That exactly what happened with Stonk Stonk. Oram hold up 3 baskets, one full of fruit, one with nuts, one with rocks. He tip one, fruit spill, but others still safe. This is diversify, he say. No put all wealth in one thing because sometimes thing go bad. Caveman understand, like when you hunt only fish and river dry up, you eat mud. He continue, some stocks go up, some go down, but if you hold many, balance protect you. Caveman curious, how many is many, he shrugged, 10, 20 or buy basket already built like ETF. Caveman blink, what, he explained, ETF equals exchange traded fund, like big basket of stocks. One click, many companies, safe way to invest without picking lone warrior. Caveman jaw drop, one shell, many fights, yes, he nod, spread risk like spear with many tips. Suddenly, Caveman feels smart. Me no have to be perfect hunter, me just need strong tribe of companies, one fly, one fall, one rest, but together, me survive. So now Caveman mix, one tech company, one food maker, one clothes tribe, one shipping wagon, one magic bank, some fast, some slow, but together they grow like forests, diversify or die, that Oram's law. Caveman finally see, wealth no built on luck, it built on balance. One night me sit alone by fire, stars blink, wind hum, me think of journey, how me burn shells, cry in dirt, then learn patience, balance and wisdom from old Oram. But something still gnaw at Caveman heart, not hunger, emotion. Caveman realize biggest danger not market, not meme coin, not fake guru in shiny robe. Biggest danger is Caveman brain. When number go up, me feel invincible. Me pound chest, me yell, me rich now. When number go down, me feel cursed. Me scream at moon, me throw goat. Caveman think of fear, how it make him sell too soon. Caveman think of greed, how it make him buy too late, both poison. Oram say investor must be fire inside, but ice outside, calm, focused, disciplined. Caveman try this next time stock fall, me breathe slow, me whisper, it normal, it cycle. Next time stock rise, me smile, but no buy more like crazy goat. Now Caveman think different. Me see investing not just numbers, it be battle of mind, no chase, no panic, just steady steps through fire and fog. Now me wake up, check shells once a moon, me no scream, me no dance, me just stay the path. Because Caveman no try get rich quick, Caveman try get rich forever, and that take heart stronger than mammoth, and brain calmer than frozen lake. Caveman now sit on rock, beard longer, brain wiser. Me look back at old self, the one who yell at phone rock, chase meme magic, lose shells faster than rabbit in lion's mouth. That Caveman, still part of me, but no longer in charge. Now me understand, investing not quick hunt, it long trek through strange forest. You trip, you bleed, but you keep walking, and along way you find companies you believe in, patience that feeds you over many moons. Wisdom to spread your bets, discipline to stay calm when winds scream. Most of all, you learn that true wealth no live in shell pile, it live in choices you repeat every day. Caveman not richest in tribe, but now me have small forest of stocks growing quietly, steadily. Me even teach baby caveman now. One say, Papa, what is ETF? Caveman cry, joy tear, knowledge pass like spirit fire circle. So if you just start and you scared, that okay. Caveman scared too, still am sometimes, but now me know what to do. Step slow, learn true, wait long, stay strong, and one day maybe your small seed become mango tree for whole tribe. Cavemen hope this journey help you not burn all your shiny shells like me did. If me make you laugh or think different about money, smash fire button, they call it like, and poke magic scribe stick, they call it subscribe. And tell Caveman in comments what company you believe in, what mango tree you plant today. Me read all scrolls, me reply when me no chasing goat. Till next moon, hold your shell pouch tight and invest like mammoth whisperer, ooga booga.